A voltage mismatch between the motor and the power supply is likely causing the issues. When a motor operates at a voltage higher than its rated voltage, it draws more current, resulting in overheating. This excess current contributes to the motor running hotter than it should. Overheating can damage the motor's bearings and windings, which leads to increased noise during operation. The excess current drawn by the motor can also trip circuit breakers or blow fuses, causing the motor to stop running. The appropriate solution is to replace the existing motor with one that is rated for 240 volts to match the facility's power supply. Operating the motor at the correct voltage will prevent overheating, reduce noise, and stop fuses from blowing. In addition to addressing the voltage mismatch, there are a few other factors to inspect. Firstly, it is critical to ensure that the motor is connected with the correct phase rotation. Incorrect phase rotation can cause the motor to run inefficiently and overheat. Secondly, it is also important to verify that the motor is wired correctly according to the manufacturer's instructions. Loose connections or damaged wires can also lead to problems. Lastly, inspect the pump and motor for any mechanical issues, such as misalignment or seized bearings. Addressing these issues will help ensure that the new pool pump motor operates reliably and efficiently.